Welcome to Sunbird and living with some luxuries for $320 a week. This is a place for nature lovers. We have wildlife on the water, under the water and in the garden. Always expect the unexpected around here. Over there is a guest wing, totally independent to the main house. This is a shared dining area with a 1,000-litre tropical marine reef aquarium, and it's one of 5 such things. This is the Nemo tank, and over here is a work in progress for a coral growing aquarium. Large screen TV, very seldom used because it backs onto the Airbnb. This stuff is going to be a lift up to my living space that will be installed very soon through that space. So all of this is shared area, and the main entry is through this door, and this would be the one that I'm using to go directly to my living space, which is upstairs. Totally self-contained except for big kitchen stuff. So someone who's paying $350 or $320 a week could use this as their private office, knowing that I would need to feed the marine life in here every day. This is a private bedroom. It has the morning sun and block-out blinds and its own television, which can take Chromecast and all of the other attachments. Plenty of cupboard space. A private bathroom that's not shared with anybody. And maybe so you know who you're listening to, that's your potential landlord. Housemate. Private toilet, not shared with anybody. And this is a share laundry, and it may be shared with Airbnb guests, not usually. And I do my washing in here. And this door is a private entry. So the Airbnb people have their private entry, you would have yours, and I would come in through the main door. I'll take you back out to the shared living spaces and walk you through what would be the approach for an Airbnb guest that history has it over the last 10 years. I've never ever had an issue of them sharing time and space with house sitters or housemates. So this is the garden walk to their accommodation. It's currently occupied by someone who is paying $320 a week for the facilities that are on offer. But she has been moved into the guest wing so that I can have the opportunity to find people who are wanting a minimum of 12 months to live in this little patch of paradise. The reason I need that 12 months is I need someone who's interested enough in the aquariums to know who they can call if they notice something is not quite right when I'm traveling. I have at least 5 international dive trips next year as a specialty shark diver, and I need to rely on someone who knows the place and is able to ring the specialty help if they notice something's just not quite right. Fish are lying down, something smells, there's water on the floor, those sorts of things. You don't have to be a specialist in marine water maintenance, filtration or marine life in general. You just have to have an idea of what looks right and know who to ring when things don't look right. So that's it, folks. This could be a terrific spot, but you can understand that it might take me a while to get the right fit because I need somebody who's sympathetic to my needs. Over and out.